Good morning, students. So, last class we have discussed about chemical properties of acetylene. So, acetylene reaction with a number of compounds like a ozone and water molecules. Next, chlorine or bromine or HBr or HCl. Okay, so or hydrogen. So overall acetylene reaction with different types of compounds. So last one acetylene reacts with Tollens reagent. Tollens reagent. So what is Tollens reagent? Overall ammonical silver nitrate solution is called ammonical silver nitrate solution is called Tollens reagent. So this Tollens reagent is the combination of or the mixture of two compounds. Okay, that is number 1 AgNO3 silver nitrate and next one NH4OH ammonium hydroxide. Okay, so overall the combination of silver nitrate and ammonium hydroxide is called ammonical silver nitrate. This ammonical silver nitrate solution is called Tollens reagent. First we have taken CH triple bond CH. So it is acetylene, formula of acetylene, or it is we write C2H2 also. Okay, C2H2 or CH triple bond CH. When it is reacts with the ammonical silver nitrate solution or Tollens reagent to form in this reaction. So overall in acetylene loss of 2 hydrogens, addition of 2 silver atoms. Okay, so replace of hydrogen we write silver Ag bond carbon triple bond carbon bond Ag. So AgC triple bond CAg, CH triple bond CH. So loss of one hydrogen, attach of silver. What is this? Silver acetylide. So it is a silver acetylide. Silver acetylide. Next further 2NH4 2NO3. Okay, 2NH4 2NO3 to form 2NH4 NO3. Okay, to form 2NH4 NO3. So 2NH4 NH4 means ammonium. So attach of NO3 nitrate, ammonium nitrate. Listen, NH4 ammonium, attach of OH hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide. So ammonium nitrate. Next further 2OH and 2 hydrogens, 2 hydroxy groups and 2 hydrogens to form water molecules. That is 2H2O. Okay, listen. Tollens reagent means ammonical silver nitrate solution is called Tollens reagent. So it is the combination of two compounds. Number 1 AgNO3 silver nitrate. Second one NH4OH ammonium hydroxide. when we have taken acetylene, these acetylene reacts with the Torrens reagent to form silver acetalide. Next, NH4NO3 ammonium nitrate. Next, further water molecules. Okay. Next one. So attached with the ammonical cuprous chloride solution. Ammonical cuprous chloride solution. So what is the meaning of ammonical cuprous chloride solution? It is also the combination of or the mixture of two compounds. Number one, Cu2Cl2 means cuprous chloride or copper chloride. And next one, ammonium hydroxide NH4OH. So cuprous chloride, ammonium hydroxide. These two combinations is called ammonical cuprous chloride. Okay, when CH triple bond CH triple bond CH ester, it is reacts with the ammonical cuprous chloride solution. Okay, to forming this reaction, as is loss of hydrogen, so add up copper. Okay, so Cu bond carbon triple bond carbon bond C. Okay, it is a silver acetalide. It is copper acetalide. Next further, so 2NH4 Cl2, 2NH4Cl. Okay, 2NH4Cl. So ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride. What is the formula of ammonium chloride? NH4Cl. Next, 2OH and 2 hydrogens to form 2H2 last is. Okay, to form water molecules. Okay, listen. Ammonical cuprous chloride means the combination of cuprous chloride and ammonium hydroxide. Okay, when we have taken acetylene, this acetylene reaction with the ammonical cuprous chloride solution to form number one, copper or cuprous, copper acetalide, next ammonium chloride, next water molecules. Okay, so it is another chemical property of acetylene. Okay, so next further we have discussed about structure of alkanes, alkenes, alkynes. Okay. Okay. Now we have discussed about structure of alkanes and alkenes and alkynes. So alkane, very important compounds. Number one, methane, and second one, ethane. Okay. So now structure of methane. So what is first point? In methane, central atom is carbon. Okay, what is central atom? Carbon is the central atom. So how much atomic number? 6. Atomic number 6. Now we write the electronic configuration of carbon. Okay, so that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. So 1s orbital, 2s orbital, 2p orbital. 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. So we write a ground state. Ground state. So overall 2s to 2p2 is the outer shell or valency shell. Okay, 2s to 2p2 is the outer shell or valency shell. So that time we write 2s to 2s2. So 2p2 means p orbital contain px, py, pz. So 2px1, 2py1, 2pz0. 2pz0. So we write for a orbital. Suppose, so it is 2s orbital. So it is 2p orbital. This 2p orbital contain px, py, pz. So 2s orbital contain how many electrons? 2. 2 electrons. 2p orbital, 2px 1, 2py 1, 2pz 0. So it is called ground state. Okay, when 2s orbital lower energy shell, 2p orbital higher energy shell. Okay, so suppose one is 2s, 2p, it is a lower shell. Compare with these two orbitals, it is higher shell. Compare with 2s, 2p, 2p is higher shell, 2s lower. So 1s less than, 2s less than, 2p less than, or 3s. Okay, so overall 2s is lower energy, 2p is higher energy. When lower energy shell of electrons absorb some energy from surroundings, that lower energy shell of electron is jumped to higher energy shell. So it is called excited state. You understand? Okay, lower energy shell electron is jumped to higher energy shell. That is called excited state. Okay, so we write the excited state. We write excited state. So 2s orbital, next 2p orbital, 2s orbital 2, 2p 1, 1. So this lower energy shell of one electron is jumped to higher energy shell. In excited state, carbon atom contains how many single electrons?
4 single electrons.
4 single electrons. Okay, so how it is formed of methane? How many hydrogens? 4 hydrogens. So how much atomic number? 1. 1. So hydrogen just like 1s1, only single electron, 1s1. So one hydrogen atom contain 1 single electron. 4 hydrogen atoms contain 4 single electrons. It is clear?
Yes.
These 4 single electrons bonded with 4 single electrons of carbon atom to form methane. Okay, 4 single electrons of 4 hydrogen atoms bonded with 4 single electrons of carbon atom to form methane. So one hydrogen, one electron, another hydrogen, another electron, another hydrogen, another electron, and 4 hydrogens. Each hydrogen contains a single electron. That electron add with carbon electrons. So to form methane. So what is hybridization? S P3. sp3 hybridization. Because just like all single bonds, sigma bonds. Okay, suppose we draw the structure of methane. Carbon is the central atom. Carbon is the central atom. These carbon atom attached with 4 hydrogen atoms with a single bond or sigma bond. Okay, hydrogen one single, hydrogen, one single, hydrogen, one single, hydrogen, one single. So this structure is called a tetrahedral structure. Tetrahedral structure. What is the structure of methane? Tetrahedral structure of shape. Okay, so bond angle. Okay, bond angle is 104 degree 28 minutes. Okay, so it is a total sigma bonds, 4 sigma bonds. Mean single bond. Single. Not double bond or triple bond. Only single bond. So single bonds are sigma bonds. Okay, strong bonds. We are considered the hybridization. That is sp3 hybridization. It is clear. Okay, it is structure of methane. Okay, next further we have discussed about structure of ethane. Okay, structure of ethane. What is the formula of ethane? What is the formula? C2H6. Very good. C2H6. Suppose C2H6. We write another structure CH3 bond CH3. Okay, CH3 bond CH3 means C2H6 or another form. So carbon bond carbon, bond H, bond H, bond H. This carbon also attached with 3 hydrogens, bond H, bond H. It is clear? C2H6R, CH3 bond CH3R. Listen, this carbon attached with 3 hydrogens. 1, 2, 3. Bond. So this carbon also attached with 3 hydrogens. Okay. Suppose we have taken one carbon, any carbon. So already we know that what is atomic number 6. What is the electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Okay. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. We write the orbital. So overall 2s orbital, it is outer shell. 2s orbital 2 electrons. So 2p orbital 1 1. 2px1, 2py1. It is called ground state. In excited state, 2s orbital of 1 electron is jumped to 2p orbital. So lower energy shell to higher energy shell. So 1 electron jumped to 2p. So in excited state, carbon atom contains 4 single atoms. Same as this, another carbon is also same. This carbon contains 4 single electrons. This carbon also contains 4 single electrons. Okay. So overall, this carbon, 3 single electrons is attached with 3 single electrons of 3 hydrogen atoms. Okay. Suppose one hydrogen, 3 hydrogens. As this carbon also attached with hydrogen. But this carbon contains 1 single electron, this carbon also 1 single electron. So bond. Okay. Here in ethane, each carbon undergoes sp3 hybridization. Okay, each carbon undergoes sp3 hybridization. So we have draw the Lewis structure. Suppose listen, carbon, 2 carbon atoms. Each carbon atom contains 4 single electrons. That is valency. What is the meaning of valency?
Combined capacity.
What is the meaning of valency shell? Valency. So overall, outer shell electrons are valency shell electrons is the valency. How much electrons? 4. It is valency. How much electrons? 4. So carbon valency 4. It is very important. Carbon valency how much? 4. So what is the valency? Outer shell electrons. Outer shell electrons. So 2s to 2p2. It is the valency. Suppose for example we have taken boron. How much?
5.
How much? 5. So 1s to 2s to 2p1. How much valency?
3.
3. Good. Okay, it's clear.
Yes.
Okay, done. So this carbon also contain 4 single electrons. This carbon also contain 4 single electrons. Okay. We have indicated with dot. 1 dot, 1 dot, 1 dot, 1 dot. This carbon also contain 4 single electrons. We have indicated with star. Star, 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 and star. So each carbon attached with 3 hydrogen atoms. Okay. So one hydrogen atom, one single electron, H. Another hydrogen atom of another single electron, H. Another hydrogen atom of another single electron. As this, one single electron, 2 single electron, 3 single electron. Okay. Bond, bond, bond. Bond, bond, bond. Between carbon and carbon, this carbon contains one single electron, this carbon also one single electron. Between these two carbon atoms to form bond. Okay, bond. One bond it is equal to 2 electrons. Suppose we write the bond, it is equal to 2 electrons. Suppose this bond, 2 electrons. This bond, 2 electrons. This bond, 2 electrons. Our middle bond, 2 electrons. Each bond it is equal to 2 electrons. Or one pair.
Yes.
One pair, one pair, one pair, one pair, one pair. Okay, so we write. So it is 8 electrons. This carbon 2, 2, 2. This carbon also contains 8 electrons. 2, 2, 2, 2. It is a Louis structure, Louis dot structure. It is very important in 10th class.
Yes.
Okay, Louis dot structure. So another shape for a orbital. Suppose carbon, 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 carbon. So this carbon orbital, orbital, orbital. Same as this orbital, orbital, orbital. So this carbon, one orbital attached to one hydrogen, another hydrogen, another hydrogen. So H, H, H. So this carbon also bond H, bond H, bond H. So between carbon and carbon, bond. So these are all single bonds.
Yes.
Single bonds. Single bonds means
Sigma
sigma
bonds.
bonds. Suppose this carbon, 4 singles, 4 sigma. Or this carbon, 4 single or 4 sigma. Suppose double bond. Double bond means 1 sigma, 1 pi.
Pi.
Okay. So triple bond means 1 sigma,
2 pi.
okay, 1 sigma, 2 pi. So our double bond 1 sigma, 1 pi. Sigma bond is a strong bond, pi
Pi
bond
bond
is
is weak bond.
okay. So it is a structure of ethane,
Ethane.
or dot structure of
Ethane.
or simply structure of
Ethane.
Okay. So next further we will discuss about remaining structures. Okay.